Hello everybody, my name is Pavel Bosovic. I'm the founder and CEO of 27North, and here is our story. Back in 2020, I started a journey of servicing RVs out of my mother's garage. Within a year, I learned that the quality in the product and the quality in the customer service just wasn't there. And so I set out on a journey. How do I redefine the industry, not only in raising higher quality build standards, but just the relationship with the clients. The first vehicle that I bought from a local dealership, and I brought it home and I sat down with my wife and I'm just thinking, how do I make the ultimate RV? And thankfully my wife was very creative. We got onto Pinterest, we got onto different surveys, and we started just gauging the interests of the end user, thinking, how can we make the ultimate RV? And so we reached out to different boat manufacturers, we reached out to the main RV manufacturers, and we spent a lot of time just studying the industry. And before we knew it, we built our first RV. Whenever we took it to market, within the first month, we had 40 pre-orders, and the rest has been history. People often ask me, Pavel, how do you accomplish so much in so little time? And I wish I could take credit even for a little portion of it, but first and foremost, it's God. And secondly, it's an ultimate team. I'm a true believer that anything that man can put their mind to can accomplish. And so we recruited some of the top players in the industry. If you can put together individuals from different races and backgrounds, after all, man did put man on the moon. And so we came together and together created 27 North. And I wanted to tell you, thank you for trusting us at 27 North.
Who are we?
Vehicle builders.